Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a meal plan and a wellness plan in my planner. So first is my meal plan. It is for the week of November 18th through the 24th. I am going to be using stickers from Cosmetic Plans. Her sticker book is called Autumn Days. It is simply lovely. So we're going to be adding some fall pumpkins and kind of give it the Thanksgiving kind of vibe that I like. So we're going to go ahead and start piling them in on one side, then on the other. Yeah, I'm going to be putting some smaller elements in between all of my meal planning. So hopefully that will work. Let's see. That is my hope, at least. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I am so grateful you guys have found me. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, I'm just beyond thankful for all of you guys, and simply you make my day, truly. Every single day that you guys join me, watch videos, and comment, it truly brings so much joy to me, and especially because it is a month of like thankfulness. That reminds me even more how lucky and fortunate and blessed I am, which I know all those three things mean the same thing, but I'm triple blessed. So yeah, let's go ahead and add more stickers to just create this really like whimsical spread. Not only do I love pumpkins, but I absolutely am obsessed with eucalyptus. It is everywhere. Both of my phone covers, like the phone cover, iPad, anything that I have is eucalyptus cover. I don't know why, but it is something that brings me lots of joy. I'm just adding small florals to kind of finish in the look. I'm gonna add the smaller elements here and there so I can go ahead and create a meal plan that works for me. Typically, like on Sunday and Saturdays, we do not have lunch. We have a later brunch, and that satisfies us all the way to dinner. So that's a little bit easier, at least on me, because then 2 meals that I'm skipping, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and plan. I have this cheat sheet that I made with different dinners, and they're divided by type of meat or vegetarian and so on, or fish. And then I'm able to do that. In the mornings, though, I typically just have a toast with some butter or stuff like that. And it's really simple. So for lunch, I'm going to go ahead and have a bento box that I make. So some salami, cottage cheese, and some veggies. And that will be my whole thing. On Monday, we'll do chicken stir fry. Same thing. Tuesday, I made some casserole on Sunday, like a breakfast one, so we can have that as a leftover. I might even bring that to work, so I can have breakfast at work. I'll just get there a little bit earlier. And then leftover chicken stir fry from the night before. It's usually really good. How about kung pao meatballs for dinner on Tuesday? That sounds so enticing, and I have never done that recipe before, so I want to see how that would go. Okay. Toast with butter on Wednesday. Nothing has changed. I'm working. I might even do a protein shake to kind of uptake my protein calories. Then we have leftovers again for lunch. Like I pack a very small portion of dinner into a lunchbox, and that could be or will be my lunch. And then for dinner, how about we do like black bean tostadas or something like that, so we can have a meatless dinner. I oftentimes like doing something very light in the middle of the week. Not only that, but not cooking meat takes so much less time. At least that's what I think, even though the veggie prep is not much slower. So on Thursday, I'll have a salad. and then toast with butter again. Sometimes I will use goat cheese instead of butter. I know it's not for everybody because goat cheese does have a very specific taste, but I am a pretty big fan. I'm gonna make a chipotle burrito bowl, and I may make it into a veggie one as well. Eggs and toast on Friday. Okay. And then for lunch, I might just make a pumpkin soup. On Friday, I was thinking of making a cabbage roll, which in Polish they're called gołąbkis. But I also might have plans with my girlfriend. It has not been confirmed yet. But I'm gonna put both just in case. And on Saturday, I have a date night with Alec. So I might be out 2 nights in a row, but that's okay, as long as I make smart choices. Okay, and then pancakes on Saturday for breakfast, snacks, and snacks again on Sunday. Then eggs and sausage on Sunday for breakfast, because that's usually a pretty easy thing. And then I'm thinking of Korean, like beef soup, almost like ramen version of Korean soup. And then, like I said, breakfast super easy. And that will be my week of meal plan. I think that came out super cute, and I love doing the meal plan. I love my dinner idea cheat sheet, so I don't have to think too much, and then I can compile a grocery list based on my meal plan. Okay, so let's go ahead and now create my wellness spread. So for that one, I think I want to use a couple different things. So I think I will go ahead and actually, let's just stick to the same book. It has these really gorgeous flowers. They're very much a fall vibe, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some quotes, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna keep it very simple this week, and go from there, because like I said, a lot of times those simple spreads are really what stands out to me and what brings me joy. So that's exactly what I'm going to stick with this week, especially because my catch-all is so intricate with the Friendsgiving. It's almost giving me a cross-eye with how many elements I have used in there. But again, I love the look, like absolutely love it. Doesn't mean it's always super easy to focus your plans in there. So that's okay. Like I said, it keeps me going and it keeps me productive because of it. So I wouldn't change a thing. Now I think I want to go ahead and add a line of stuff above, but before I do, let's find a quote and see how much space it's going to take. Let's get lit, fall scented candle. How cute is that? So I'm just using some quotes from Mojo Jojo Plans. Her quotes are seriously so funny. And then always thankful, I think, is what's going to go on this side. Those two are just really, really beautiful, and I think they fit really well. I don't always incorporate quotes because I forget I have them. So I'm trying to be better about this. I even pulled out like all of my fall stickers and stuff onto my desk for the time being, so I can go ahead and create with those stickers and remember what I have. Sometimes with an enormous amount of collections, we forget what we have. Okay, now I just need a pen and create my dots, label everything, and I'll be all set. Let me know what you guys think about those two spreads. I know that looking at two full spreads can be a lot. I am usually pretty fast. Even though I do speed this up for you guys slightly, I think that two spreads take me roughly about 20 minutes or less. So not too bad for two spreads, or at least I think so. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you would like to see something that I haven't done yet or that I have done and you want a repeat. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another one. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.